Hi there, it's Barbara Template, and today I'm going to show you another new feature in Canva. This one is called Translate in Documents and also Translate in Contextual Menu. Absolutely amazing if you're using Canva templates or if you're working in teams with different languages. So let's see where is it, how to use it. By the way, subscribe if you like our channel. You can ask in the questions below the video or follow in other channels. So I'm going to share the screen and let's go to Canva. Let's open a document. So let's go to documents. I'm going to use some of the documents which are already here. Let's say this one, okay. So we have a Canva document. I don't know if you've been using them. They very practical. It's actually a Word where you can use all Canva features. But what's new now is that you can translate or use the Translate AI tool directly in documents. Before it wasn't possible. So how you do it? Well, first you need to go on the left over here to your apps. Yeah, you see this little kind of square with dots. So when you go to your apps and you scroll down and you go to translate, yeah, more from Canva, and the last one is translate. So you click on the translate. First, what you need to do, you select a language. So I'm going to select let's say Czech, so I can check it whether it's right. I think it's quite correct in most of the time. Probably depends on the language. Yeah. Now I need to select the text which I want to translate. So let's say, what do we want to translate? Let's say we want to translate this part. Okay, so I select this text. Yeah, it automatically copies here and I just press translate. Okay, so we wait for a while and now, as you can see, we've got it here in Czech. So let me just check if it's right. Yeah, it seems quite fine. Probably maybe you just need to do a little language corrections, but so far it seems fine to me. So like this, you can translate all different part of the projects or of the documents. Yeah, absolutely great tool if you're working in teams, or if you have some documents which you want to translate. You don't even need to use Google Translator. You've got it here. Plus you can adjust your document so it looks much nicer. The second new update relating to translation is when you have your design. Okay, I'll just find some design where I have some text. Let me find something. Okay, I've got here. I've got a Christmas pack of activities which you can purchase now if you want. It's a huge pack of 24 pages altogether, from preschoolers to adults, for teachers, language teachers, and for families. And over here, you don't need to go because this is a PDF, yeah. You don't need to go through the app and translate, but what you can do is you can just click on any element within your design, and with the right click, when you do the right click, there's a function at the bottom, the very last one, and this one says translate text. So if you click on this, yeah, translate language to again. So you go and choose the language that you want to translate this text to. So I'll go for Czech. And you also have an option in translate pages or select text from current page. Yeah, as you can see here, we have the layers of this page, and only one has been highlighted, the one which I clicked on, but I can select all. Yeah, so you can translate every single element or written element or every single text on design, and you can choose which part of the design you want to be translated. Yeah, and as you can see, this whole text has been translated to Czech language. Or what you can do is when you use some template. So let's go to templates. and I want to use a template which is in Canva library. So let's go to social media and choose, for example, a Facebook post, and let's choose some post where there is a text. Okay, what about something nice and colorful? Okay, here we've got some text. So let's choose this template from Canva. Yeah, as you can see, so this is the text. So I go right click on the text. I'll scroll down, I go translate text, select the language I want to translate this text to. Yeah, check. I want just this one element. As you can see, I don't have any more options because this is the only text on this design. Yeah, I go translate, and the text has translated into the language I have chosen, and even, as you can see, even the element stays at a quite similar place. So I'll just do a little adjustment, maybe some grammar, yeah, adjustment, but I don't need to rewrite it and just move so it's right and so on. I'll simply use any Canva template like this. And yeah, this is a very nice little tweak in Canva, which will make your work faster using AI translator, now available in documents and also in contextual elements within the designs. Yeah, so I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions, just ask. That's all. Bye bye.